Um, as a best guider, our main responsibility is to understand everything that happens inside the base, and with the soldiers, we are responsible for guiding them, enhancing their knowledge about the base, and helping them become better soldiers, sir. Um, because I want to teach and guide other soldiers to help them become better. I also want to show my best and share my knowledge so they can learn more. Uh, I expect to guide new recruits around the army base and helping them become familiar with the area and understand how things work inside the base. No, civilians or gang members are not allowed to be inside or take control of the base. If they are found inside, we can command them leave the army base immediately. Um, if recruit recruit does not listen, we correct them using macros and if necessary use a taser to regain control of the situation, sir. Okay, sir. If civilian approaches the concrete area and ignores warnings and behaves inappropriately, we can use lethal force after a 10 seconds countdown. And if a civilian enters the base using a vehicle, and if a civilian attacks us or shows hostile intent, we can defend ourselves, sir. If a civilian enters the base using a vehicle, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I was. But as a soldier, I am prepared to fulfill my duties and I want to show my skills and help other soldiers or recruits who need assistance inside the army. They are five patriotic events in the army. Yes, we are not allowed to eat during a material tip event. Wait a second, sir. Yes, I do. I want to contribute to improving base operations and help maintain a disciplined and efficient efficient environment inside the base, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir.